Anyways, what's up, everybody? Two mostly bald guys. No, wait. One mostly bald guy and one completely bald guy. We're going to do a taillight. Yeah, it's been a long time since we've done a video. I've moved, got a new job, and been busy. Busy. Very. What do we got, Adam?
What we got this. Let's flip the camera around and I'll show you what we got.
All right. Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, so right here what we got is Blake's 13 Ultra. Right?
No, Electraglide.
Electraglide, sorry. I get the two mixed up all the time.
I can't afford an Ultra.
maybe next year.
Yeah.
All right, what we got here is we got Custom Dynamics new Probeam Taillight.
It's the clear smoked lens.
Yeah. For Harley Davidson motorcycles, I believe I think it says 98 to 13.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Well, regardless, we got it from Harley, so...
getting rid of this hideous thing for this beautiful thing.
So that thing is not very bright, and I feel like I'm going to get hit all the time. So I went with something super bright from the reviews and everything that I've read on this, and this thing here, people should see me forever away.
And on top of that, my bike, front turn signals, rear turn signals, and my tri-bar on my 13 Road Glide are all Custom Dynamics. Everything on my bike is Custom Dynamics.
So my end game is, other than, changing a lot on this bike, the turn signals and that huge, to me, I don't like that bar. So that bar is going to go away. I'm going to go with the smaller, what's on his bike, the Road Glide, with the bullets, so that I can put certain custom dynamic lights in it. I can put them in this, but I don't like how they look in these. So
and that'll be our next video.
Yeah.
Well,
I don't know if it'll be our next video.
Yeah.
I gotta wait for
our next Harley video for your bike, probably.
Yeah. However money plays out and see, but
don't depress people on YouTube.
So anyways, here we go. Let's get this over with. What tools do we need, Adam? You guys are going to be astonished by it.
Oh, you need a Phillips screwdriver.
That's it?
That's it. That's all you need.
All right. So, yeah, number 2 Phillips.
You can take
these two screws out. Let's get that done real quick.
In the box. Real simple. Like we just said, Phillips screwdriver. You're going to get your instructions. They're very straightforward. You're going to get your new rubber seal. And you're going to get 2 new nylon O-rings to go in between the screws and the housing so you don't crack the housing. One thing I do want to add, Custom Dynamics is not sponsoring this video. We paid for it ourselves. And if you buy Custom Dynamics products, call them. They are the friendliest people. I have talked to them 2 or 3 times, ordering stuff from my bike. They're very friendly. Best. So I just wanted to add that in.
All right, let's go and take this old taillight off.
Now you might be saying, hey, why are you not using a power tool? I don't like using power tools on plastic stuff that's easy to break. Keep the existing screws.
Keep the old taillight too, just in case. You never know, you might need it.
Okay. And then,
so this should be plug and ride. We're gonna call it plug and ride. Well, a couple screws, and then plug and ride.
I gotta figure out. Oh, maybe it's on the bottom side. Yeah, it's on the bottom side.
Hey,
okay,
look.
so on this plug, the release switch is on the bottom side. So push up with your thumb, pull out. Okay.
All right.
Then what we're gonna do?
Get the new one.
I'll set this one in the package. A lot of times.
Bingo.
Keep the package.
Look at that.
Yeah. First things first. What you're gonna do? I like to keep the plastic wrap on my stuff until I get done with everything, because you want to keep everything nice.
What if you drop it? Then you protect it from getting scratched.
Yep.
Probably could have put a towel down underneath this or something. I'm sure there's a better way of doing everything, but this is our way, and we just, you know, whatever.
Alright, so pull your backing off, run your cord through, and it's very sticky, which is a good thing. And put it on real nice and careful like. Pull your plastic out in the way. Get it all centered. I'm sorry, I'm delicate. And once you get it on there just like that, scoot it forward. Take your plug, lock side down.
Maybe.
It's because I'm being filmed. It's been so long since I've been filmed. There we go. Plug it in. Kind of fold the wires a little bit. Oh. Go ahead and pull this off the rest of the way. And then it's okay. Put it on, push it, make sure the seal's good. And sometimes it helps to have a friend.
Oh yeah.
Just say do that. And we're gonna get our little new Nylox washers. Maybe. Get it. We struggle more with the packaging than we do the product, putting the stuff on.
2 hours later.
Yeah. Okay. This is Nylox screw.
All right.
Okay. The last screw. So put this screw in, or this screw, whichever screw you start with. Go part way, and then start your next screw. Tighten it down, and then go ahead and do it like this. And the reason I like a screwdriver versus a drill, I can feel how tight things are. I don't crack the housing of.
I think this was 159, 149, something like that for that tail light. So yeah, you don't want to break it. But man, does that look so much better. Let's turn it on and see what she looks like. Oh man.
Let's get rid of that.
Let's see if I'm able to be seen better. Adam, you want to record me turn that on, or do you want to just go ahead and turn it on?
I'll go. Yeah, I'll turn it on. Okay.
Yeah. Should just be able to.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Ooh, look at that. It's definitely brighter. Oh yeah. Here, let me get up closer. Oh yeah.
We didn't do a before and after because you know what you already have. So we are showing you why you want better.
Bam.
This has no function to it right now. So later when Blake does go and he buys the rest of the kit, he'll buy the same thing like I have, the strobe box, and then it'll do stuff like it may strobe with the tail lights and stuff like my bike.
Yeah, because I think that the 2 bullets that I get when I get the strobe kit, I believe they will strobe as well. So that everything back here will strobe, and people will see me. If you're wanting to look for other how-to videos or whatever, we also have, let me go and show you. We also have some Daymaker installation. They're knockoff brand, they're not name brand. Bike's a little dirty, I've been riding. Yeah.
Handlebars?
Yeah, we got handlebars and we got Bluetooth.
I said, yeah.
Yeah, so be sure to look through all our other videos. We got some stereo installation. I did not do a how-to video on Rockford's new stereo for Harley Davidson, but that thing is phenomenal. That is loud speakers right there. Yeah. All right, well.
And like old times, in the comments, and I know it's been a while for us to do a video. Let us know what you have, what lights you may have, why you like them, why you don't like them. Let us know if you have Rockford speakers, or you have Hog Tunes or J&M Rocker, I believe XXX, I believe, or XXL is their system. Let us know. Let us talk in the comments, and we will do our best to do what we always do, answer.
Well, I don't know about always. There's a lot of you guys commenting lately.
Sometimes it gets quite busy.
Yes.
Always, I'm huge on keeping my old stuff in the package, especially if it's in good quality like Blake's is. So, just in case, for whatever reason, that does have a problem, and we have to Blake has to send it back to Custom Dynamics. We have a light, his bike's not down.
It's hot out here. Anyways.
Yeah.
Like always, sorry it's been a long time since we've done a video. Long time. We're going to try to do some more. Don't forget to like, comment, and don't forget that subscribe. Click that subscribe button.
You don't get very many bell notifications, so we don't bother you like other YouTubers.
Yeah, we don't put very many videos out.
Yeah.
So,
Hey, you know what? Let's start a conversation about where my hair went.
How are we gonna change this name here?
Yeah.
Two mostly bald guys? I don't know. Maybe I should just shave my head and we'll cross out mostly and put completely in red or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll figure something out.
Yeah. All right. Well, see you guys next time.
Bye.